go online and Google due diligence questionnaire, get a due diligence questionnaire, and just create a Dropbox or a Google Docs that contains all of that information. So each question is a folder. Each folder has that stuff in, all your insurance certificates, certificates of incorporation, memorandum and articles of association, all of that stuff. Contracts with customers, contracts with suppliers, contracts with employees. Make sure you've got them for a start, because lots of people kind of have, half the staff they've got contracts with and half of them they didn't bother or whatever. Make sure all of that stuff is up together and all in one place, so that when somebody is interested, they can sign an NDA and get access to that straight away. Invest a little bit of money in an information memorandum. An information memorandum is you have an executive summary, which is a one-page summary of it, but then the information memorandum is a bit like a school project. So it should have the competitor analysis, the regional kind of total addressable market and all of that kind of, MBA type student. In fact, an MBA student is probably the perfect person to write it, although I guess nowadays probably an AI could do it. And obviously then the stuff that's very specific to your business, like the breakdown of your customers by whatever sector, by size, by how long they've been with you, all of these kind of details. If you have all of that stuff together, the data room, the information memorandum, the accounts in a good form, immediately you're in the top 1% of any transaction anybody will look at, immediately.